Hey traders, how long you are going to keep feeding the market with your money? How many times have you jumped into a trade hoping to make some profit, only to see losses on your screen? Tell me, it's time to stop that right now. I am Leo and I know how to turn even just 55 into thousands. Now 3 years of try and error but with a clear strategy and daily signals that bring real results right now. You don't need to a big depositor or experience, just follow my plans. Thousands of trading have already seen success with it. Today you will see how it works, your journey, your profit start right now. So from this day we will accelerate the deposit from rather small amount to the maximum possible values. I'm going to show you today how to do it quite easily and is available to everyone. We will be using not only indicators today but also technical analysis. By the way, I have already added the indicator to our trading panel on our established currency pair. I have selected the pair with the maximum percentage of return. Here we have installed the Bollinger Band indicator. Here I have also installed the fractal indicator, and on the Euro and NZ currency pair I have installed the IC indicator. And these three indicators will help us today to accelerate our deposit to the maximum possible values. By the way, how to use trading indicator and trading strategies. I understand in my Telegram channel, so come on, subscribe. Here we're going to start our deposit roundup. So the first currency pairs and what we cannot, shall we pay attention to? Well, we're in downtrend here actually, and that tells us that we will have a reversal in price going forward. In addition, we have candles approachment and the lower boundary of the Bollinger Band indicator. Let's open to the upside on this and see how the trade will works on in this case. Well, while the market is moving, I will tell you how our trading sessions are going in my private clubs. I give signals and everyone can see all the traders in real time. There is no guesswork here, just precise inputs and outputs. And here I look at the home price is moving perfectly on our chart. Let's see how it works out. Yes, friends, the trade is closing, the profit is locked, and that's how we achieve the results. In that, the price went from the lower boundary to the upper boundary of the Bollinger Band indicator. And so we took our profit. Let's keep looking. We are interested in a slightly different amount. So we continue to disperse our deposits. Think making money is only for genius or people with years of study? That's my trading community. We meet twice a day for session where I share about 10-year signal with a win rate over 85%. That means most of traders end in profit and you earning grow every day. My signal and strategy are designed for everyone to use to experience needed. You just follow my lead, of course, click the link below, text me and I will give you everything you need to change your trading forever. Let's switch to this currency pair, and here we immediately open the upside. After all, we have a runs formed here by the fractal indicator, which are moving at the bottom of the chart, which tell us that the price will go up. In addition, here we have the price moving into ascending trading corridor, which tell us that the price will also go in the right direction. Yes, another trade closed in the plus, and that's how my real-time methodology works. Look at what we have already completed in just 2 transactions. But we won't tell on that, of course. We are interested in slightly different amount. So we will continue our trade. So what can we notice here? What's worth paying attention to? Here we actually will rely not only on the indicator, course, but also on technical analysis. Let's open to the upside here in this case and see how we trade works out. Here we relied on ascending trading corridor. I will not highlight these like boundaries. Yes, thus let's see. It looks like in this case the price has approached to the lower boundary, which tell us that a reversal is coming on RIC. Everything is also quite obvious. Yes, the line turns, yes, and going in the right direction, and we wait for the deal to work out. I will be honest, a lot of people think you need years of experience to be a successful trader. Nah, not at all. Actually, the keys is like to know the right strategy and have support. Just it. And just like that, in my private community, you will get both, and I am personally always like being in touch. Yeah, well, let's continue to wait for our exposition to close. Boom! Whoa! Another deal closes in this plus side. Whoa! As always, our strategy does not fail yet, and this indicator actually is another successful trader in our trading session. In that, yes, and price went in the right direction. That's cool. Exactly. So, Harry switching to this current pair, yes. So what do we have going on here? First of all, actually an uptrend, yes, I can see it. Secondly, we have a ROMs on like flatter forming here, which also tell us that the price will go like upwards in the future. Let's us checking it now, open up and see how the deal like will work out. Okay, if you are like not aware in the club, guys, please, now is the time to join with us. Email me and I will personally help you get in your how you can start trading with me. Of course, as I early as tomorrow you can like write me. Well, look friends, at how confidently actually the candles is and bouncing upwards, and we are picking up our next super success. That's why it's important to trade with a clear strategy. It's really important. Not extra emotion, of course, but just profit. Hey, the deal is about profit. Let's keep looking. So we open this current pair and here we see the price decline. Okay, but do not hurry to open on the decline, because we have a trading corridor here in which the price moves like from the upper boundary to the lower boundary here. Like accordingly, we will also open from these boundaries. I have now increased the amount of our investment, and I will open now like on the downside. After all, the price has reached the upper boundary of this trading corridor. The RSI indicator can also be noted. Its line is like we're starting to move a reversal actually. So let's mark the price reversal points. Thus, it like all looks like this, and we get a fairly confident trading corridor and actually resistance level, okay, from which we have the price pushes off and goes in the right direction. And you can see as well that I don't just trade like here. I try to share with you everything that I know myself and help every member of the club to grow and get a stable income. Looks friend, how confidently and swift the price went down and gave us the opportunity to come out like with a positive result. That's how the turn like small deals into big swing. Yes. But we don't stop this, of course, and look how much is our required a good amount. Despite the factor that we started with only 55 bucks, yes, but that's not stopping us, of course, because we are accelerating like to the highest possible amount today. And as I said earlier, it's easy enough and can be done by absolutely anyone. Everyone can do this. You just need to follow my strategies, which like we break down in my Telegram channel. Well, current par, euro, dollar. Okay, here we have. This is where we're going to open like on the upside. We will now increase the investment amount and are waiting for the deal to close. We have an upward trend here. This is the first decisive factor for opening a trade upwards. And secondly, yes, we have confirmation from the fractal indicator. Let's highlight the support level. It's quite simple and obvious, of course. Even a novice can figure out. You also write in the comment which indicator are most often included in your strategy. Just write down and I'm gonna share my favorite as well. Another trade closes with a positive result and looks how confidently the price went in the direction we need. Friends, it's quite simple. Even a novice can figure out normally. Well, we go through everything actually in more detail in my Telegram channel, so go on over, subscribe. Well, we are moving on, of course, and that's why it's important to watch experienced trader trade. Want to stop feeling stressed about trading and start making steady profits? I've been trading for years, yes, and I know most people lose money not because they market is too hard, but because they are alone and don't have a clear plan. In my community, it's different. Only proven entry point, which high returns and plenty of learning materials to help us understand the market. Don't just take my word here what others says. With Leo I finally started making money without stress and losers. Her signals really works. It's really worked. It was profitable in my first week because after only losing before. Click the link below, text me and start your journey to confident, profitable trading today. And so the next currency pairs, and here I see the perfect point to enter the trade. I am open immediately for a promotion after all, yes. We have the price moving in a sideways trading corridor. I will now highlight the boundaries of this corridor. That's how it looks like, yes, you can see, and Harry waiting for the deal to close. After all, we have the price pushing away from the support level and the RSI line indicator is also moving upwards. We don't open here on chart movements, on price reversal. Yes. What I do, I want to point out just the simple factor. Actually, the fact that even if you are a beginner, I think you have already noticed that you can put the signal into practice and build your first trader normally. After all, every step in trading is a learning experience you observe. Just sit, analyze, and gradually begin to understand the market. Really simple. Yes, friends, that's the signal. Perfect time to enter and strategies worked flawlessly. Looks how confidently the price has lied, and here we talking our next super success, friends. But that's not stopping us, of course. We are interested in different amounts, so we continue. Let's move on. So the next currency pair, the Bollinger Band indicators, of course. This is where we are going to open on the upside. I will not change the amount of our investment and see how the deal works in itself out, yes. And so on section continuous, and what you see is that with the right discipline and logic, even a beginner can understand the market and make the first right moves. And by the way, guys, in this case, we open it simple, actually on the upward trend movement. Here is the simple, just strategy that maybe even beginners will understand it. Yes, I believe in that. Great job, great results. Folks, they are the moment that distinguish professional trading when the strategy work and the market plays into our hands, and the price went in this right direction. Just build the trend movements, open it in this case, and take our positive results. Let's look at the following situation. So We have already reviewed, actually we did technical analysis part in like forming colored hedge, like, and here we will open on the upside sample and the trend movement as well. We already have quite an impressive amount on our balance sheet. Yes, this is really amazing. But we are not stopping there, like, of course, we will be accelerating our deposits further. And as I said earlier, yes, absolutely everyone, like even a beginner, can accelerate their deposit, of course. You just have to follow my strategy. And by the way, don't forget, at previous club, like, we have everything we need to succeed with a clear plan. Everything, support and access to the best tools. This is what gives like a confidence in every trend, actually every trend. But we continue to wait, of course, for our position to close. Boom. Another deal closed with a positive result. Okay, gotcha. And it's like moments like this that make trading profitable and understandable. Like, see how we like count the movement. This is impressionant. That's why it's based from like proven entry points. After all, every entrance we make is like shoot exactly on target. Let's look at the following situations. You just saw me like turn 55 into a couple thousands in minutes. This is real, not a fantasy. In my private club, results like these are normal. We run daily trading session like with clear tested signals that work fast and reliable. You match every trade like live, of course, follow my movers and watch your account growth. This is really real. Opportunity to change your life while others keep like losing only. And want standard results? Click the link and join like to my channel and I will show you. So we open the first current spread and there we will open also on the upside. Look how confident the price is moving upward, and we should not miss this moment, of course, to open upward. And while we are waiting, actually, for our deal to work out, I will tell you about the bonus at the club. Regular Dream, actually exclusive affiliate offering access to premium tools that make trading even more efficient. So try joining a session at my club and you can check them out to like of course, you can check them out for yourself and you will see how I am telling you, because it's really good to be part of our private channel. And that's just a fantastic result, folks. Whoa, look at the impressive amount of money we already have on our balance sheet. Damn. And our strategy worked perfectly. It's amazing. As always, of course, like this proves that analysis, as always, pays off. Yes, pays off. But as I said before, we analyze such strategy and indicators in my private clubs. Yes, so come over, don't wait, sign up. We'll like you will just get more instruction, knowledge, of course, because you know we have all that you need here. So what can we notice here? This is where the immediate open to the upside. After all, the price is moving in the like ascending trading corridor, and this is the confirmation that the price will go upward in the future. Here, friends, as you can see, what you see today is just the beginning, After all, inside the club like session are like held every day with new signals and parsings of each trade. There's like there you don't just like get a signal, you learn to see the market with your own eyes, of course. But let's see how the deal works out. Okay, in addition, the price is like pushing off the lower boundary of the Bollinger Bands indicator and moving towards the upper boundary, so which is what we need. Yes, friends, and this is another final successful trading in our trading session. That's how we confidently accelerated our depositing in such a short period of time. Yes. And it can be handled by absolutely everyone. Here we are at the end of the session. Yeah. You have seen all the logic of the market and how it works with signals and so on. This is just the first step, guys. This is just the first step. Further inside the club, of course, there will be even more practices, new signals and support, so you can trade confidently every single day. So don't wait and come join to us. Yes, my friends, this is only the beginning. Yeah, this is only the beginning. This isn't a secret available to you. Of course, in my community, I provide clear, proven signals, live sections, and all the support you need to grow your money. Just like that. You can do exactly what you saw in this video. Yes, of course. Follow my step, learn, and take actions. This is most important. No one is born and approved, but with the right system and support, you can achieve your goals.